Welcome, here I've got Vivax Fly 6 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard picture mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So hi again. And now let's move to the left corner to this one. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have mirror image option. By using this button from the right, we can turn on the camera mirror effect or turn it off as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.